Two Palms front porch facing the main road. The door, and there's a teak dining table, 4 nice chairs, and a beautiful deck with a view of the driveway. Sits on 3/4 of an acre, far enough from the road that you don't hear any noise really. Our 2 new palm trees for 2 palms, some Washingtonians, and the driveway's lined with some Mexican petunias. You can see there's a nature preserve across the street that goes for miles, hundreds of acres. Beautiful palm trees, and looking out to the west, there's some wonderful sunsets at various times of the year. Going back over here, we see the front lawn and the vacant lot, 2 vacant lots next door to 2 Palms, directly south. Very wide, spacious area. And here's another view of the deck. This is a nice area when it's windy on the beach and the kids got paper plates, and it could come out here and be protected from the wind. Have a beautiful, relaxing lunch. 2 Palms outdoor deck.